Number 1, chin. I have a dimple in my chin. Chin. Number 2, catch. I will throw the ball and you can catch it. Catch. Number 3, chat. Call me after school and we can chat on the phone. Chat. Number 4, such. You have been such a good friend to me. Such. Number 5, rich. If you have a lot of money, you are very rich. Rich. Number 6, chip. That is a big chocolate chip in your cookie. Chip. Number 7, chop. Please wash your hands and help me chop the vegetables for dinner. Chop. Number 8, fetch. I like to play fetch with my dog by throwing a ball. Fetch. Number 9, lunch. There are tacos for lunch today. Lunch. And number 10, pitch. In baseball, a player will pitch the ball to you so you can hit it. Pitch. Okay, let's check our words and make sure we sounded them out. 1, chin. 2, catch. 3, chat. 4, such. 5, rich. 6, chip. 7, chop. 8, fetch. 9, lunch. And 10, pitch.